Hey, what's going on, everyone? I wonder if you guys was able to catch the Kaspa breakout signal. Did you guys catch that? If you didn't, I'm going to show you where it was so that maybe the next time these things occur, you guys will be able to capitalize off the movement. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I produce price predictions off of the charts without any confusion. We simply look at the price bars and the volume to try to get an understanding or a grasp as to who's actually controlling the price. You can only have two different entities, parties moving the market. It's either buyers or the sellers. And we take a look, and whichever one has the greater majority is the way that we go. So if you guys want to learn more, definitely keep it locked in here. Hit that like button, and also subscribe here for more of that content that you ain't gonna get nowhere else. Nobody else is out here dropping predictions and giving ideas as to where they suspect prices to go. And as in this particular situation, like we did in Kaspa, it actually worked out. Yeah, we anticipated that Kaspa was going to go higher when we did our price prediction on September the 9th. Here it is the 16th. The market in Kaspa came and hit our ultimate TP price on the 12th. So what, 3 days? 11.5% right there. And the market in Kaspa actually topped out all the way up here near our higher end sell zone. Okay, look at that. It came to this sell zone, something that we talked about. So hopefully you was able to get 19%. If not 19, you got almost 12. Congratulations though, because now we need to move on to the next play. So let's get rid of that. And that breakout signal that I wanted to tell you about is happened in two stages. The first one was here. Okay, when we did our video on Kaspa the last time, we drew this buy zone. Okay, we said, hey, yes, price currently is weak. We can suspect that the buyers who bought Kaspa back in June of this year, that they will buy again. And that is precisely what happened on September the 6th. The market buyers came through and said, look, Kaspa is now trading at prices that I've bought in June. Let me buy some more. And they bought. And then you see the second stage, the push to go up bar. This buy signal was triggered into the market in Kaspa. It was so strong that it blew through this sell zone and it moved the market the next day to this other sell zone that we created. So from September the 9th, the high of September the 9th, well, let's do it from the close, to the high of September the 15th, the market ran 13%. In and out. Almost 14%. Almost 13%. That's why it's important for us to be predictors and anticipate where price is trying to move. We could get rid of this sell zone now, and we can get rid of this sell zone. So now I got rid of all those sell zones that failed to hold back price, or buyers or sellers, right? So when I did that, look at this though. Can you see what's actually happening to the market in Kaspa? Can you see it? What's really going on? Yeah, we're pretty much trading within a range. Let's look at it though on the weekly chart in Kaspa. This is the weekly chart. Okay, the overall trend hasn't been broken. What is the overall trend? Yeah, we're trending higher. And there's times to where price comes down to this trend line and test it. So all in all, until we see price in Kaspa break this long-term trend, we always need to be bullish in the long term. The idea for the long-term view is for price to continue to go up until we see the market do this. Okay, until we see the market do this. Until that happens, we understand that there's a greater probability that prices are going to continue to go higher. So now the only thing that we need to think about is, okay, what would be a great entry price? It's real simple. You would like to buy Kaspa on that trend line. And then the second best place would be around buy zones. Here's Kaspa on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3, 5, and on the monthly chart. Kaspa on the 5-day bar. This was great. It was a great 5 days right there. That was fantastic. Those buyers really shown themselves as being eager to move the market up. The sad part is that on this current 5-day bar, we're still seeing those sellers. You have the price currently is closing off of the highs, which substantiates that the selling is increasing in Kaspa right there around 18 cents. Here it is on the 4. Good day, 4-day bar right there. Still seeing those sellers though. Take a look at this on the 3-day chart. Okay, so I think we need to be cautious now in Kaspa of this zone. And I'm just telling you that we need to be keen and aware that we are seeing increases in selling. Okay, so the market in Kaspa may potentially go lower initially, but it doesn't mean that the market is ready to crash. So we might need to put this prediction on pause, see how low the market's going to go off of this weakness and the selling, so that we can be prepared to see the market in Kaspa go up. Because all in all, I'm not really dramatically bullish. I'm not dramatically bearish neither. I'm just, okay, this is the market right now in Kaspa. It is on 330-minute chart. Potentially, we can see the market come in this particular area and try to fill that or bounce from this particular point. Okay, so just something to keep your eyes open on. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put this on pause on our idea of a price prediction and see how low the market really wants to go, because this is catching my eye for sure. Who came through the market in Kaspa and sold all their KAS in the market? Somebody did. That volume bar is massive. It stands out. So somebody was in a hurry to dump some KAS in this particular cryptocurrency exchange. Somebody was, and it had an impact, because after that bar was created on the 1-hour chart, look at this. What did the market do? It trended down. Okay. So now I'm gonna put this prediction on pause. We're gonna allow the market to continue to drift lower. The quicker we see the buyers step in, the better. The longer it takes, then we may come back down and test this trend line, this buy zone. So yeah, go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.